Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Extra Dim on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings app to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Next, scroll down and choose the Accessibility option on the screen. This menu contains additional options for customizing your accessibility features. Step 3. Now, locate the Extra Dim option. Tap on it. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Step 4. For the last and most important step, tap on the Extra Dim option to turn it on instantly. To increase the intensity, swipe the slider you like for the best view. Or, do you want to turn the option off again? Then, tapping the option will turn it off by itself. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.